Well, the other top story this evening, relief for Vijay Mallya. The London court hearing his extradition case has extended his bail till the 4th of December. The court will hear his petition next on the 6th of July. Mallya appeared along with his son at the court, was unfazed. He said he's not guilty and there's enough evidence to prove his innocence. Not just that, he's also denied diverting any loan proceeds from banks for other purposes. Indian agencies are trying to prove that Mallya's actions to defraud Indian banks attracts various sections of UK Fraud Act 2006. Here's Vijay Mallya speaking with the media.
I'm not going to answer any of your questions. There's a court of law. We will make our submissions before the appropriate courts of law.
Are you happy
What happened to the billion? What happened to the £1 billion?
Petition to stay away from the media.
What happened to the £1 billion? It's a simple question.
You can keep dreaming about the £1 billion, provided you have facts to justify your question. All right? You don't know the facts. So don't ask irrelevant questions.
Your multiple houses in the UK, your multiple offshore bank accounts.
My multiple houses in the UK?
Yes.
I've been living here since 1992.
Right. Your huge mansion. Mr. Mallya, but
Sir, were you happy with
the Kingfisher Airline loan?
I did out of taxpayer earnings.
The Kingfisher Airline loan was diverted to the ICC.
There was no loan diverted anywhere.
But India Today's got mails, access to all.
Mr. Mallya, is there further evidence? Is there further evidence for the submission due from the Indian government that is overdue and has not come in?
Didn't you hear it in the court?
Yes, I mean, what was that? Is that the Indian government promised they would send something that they haven't?
You heard it in the court, self-explanatory. Didn't you hear it?
Well, what do you think that
I
is
said,
about?
did you hear it or not?
I did hear a submission to that.
That's it.
Yeah.
Mr. Mallya, what are your plans now?
Sorry.
My plans?
Yes.
Here we go.
What plans?
Well, what's he going to do for the next few days?
I'm going to defend myself in the court as I am expected to.
Mr. Mallya, are you
Live my life.
Are you relieved that the court has said that you don't have to come? Are you relieved? Is that some sort of... How do you see that? So that
Look, your colleagues were there in the courtroom. You heard everything, what the prosecution said. You heard what my lawyer said. You heard what the honourable judge said. I don't need to say anything more.
Mr. Mallya, you seemed rather upset by that episode at the Oval the other day when you were called a thief by many people.
I certainly was not called a thief.
Right.
I have video evidence. You may have heard it. Did you? Were you there?
Yes, I was.
You were.
Yes.
And yes. And two people in a drunken state started yelling.
Right.
Okay? But you didn't see the several others who came and wished me well. That's your problem.
Okay. Well, then it's...
So are you happy
six
that
of one and half a
the
dozen of the
court
other?
finally happened so you can prove you're innocent?
Sir, do you think there is any political conspiracy against you in
Sir,
India?
are you happy?
Are you
No more.
get a hearing?
Sir, just one
No
question.
more
Are you
questions.
happy that you can finally put your case forward rather than all these
I'm
rumours?
delighted that I can put my case forward before a fair and impartial UK court. Yes, I am very happy with that opportunity.